Session is on Introduction to Intonation. Introduction to Intonation is an English pronunciation lesson. Speaking and understanding English doesn't just come from using correct grammar and vocabulary. Native English speakers convey meaning in their sentences, pitch, the ups and the downs, and the musical notes of their sentences. For example, the following two sentences contain the same words. Is there a difference in meaning? Number 1. She got a dog. Number 2. She got a dog. In these two simple sentences, the focus word of the sentence, the word that gets the most emphasis, is dog. But what happened with the sound of the focus word in sentence 1? The intonation went down to indicate the completion of the thought. She got a dog. In sentence 2, the intonation went way up to indicate surprise, she got a dog. The patterns of ups and downs of your voice and your pitch on and after the focus word, which is usually at the end of a sentence or question, is called intonation in English. There are 3 intonation patterns: a rise, a full fall, and a partial fall. Listen and repeat the following examples of intonation patterns. The focus word is underlined in each sentence. I got a dog. I got a dog. How are you? How are you? Your dog speaks English. Your dog speaks English. Who got a dog? Who got a dog? My dog is smart, pretty, and sweet. My dog is smart, pretty, and sweet. I want a dog, but. I want a dog, but. Remember, speaking English isn't just about correct grammar and vocabulary. You must change your pitch, the ups and the downs, and the musical notes of your voice. Convey proper meaning, emotion, and expression.
Hello everyone, my name is Sindhu. I'm your English coach. I use activities, games and exercises to teach you English and make you a master in communication. I have helped thousands of students and participants to become a powerful presenter and confident communicator. Please subscribe to our channel and motivate us to make more contents like this. Thank you.